kawuono lande officially ne wach mar kazi mtaani oduok back kendo vijande manyocha ywak mine manyocha ywak ni onge kaka ginyalo konyore koro ginyalo yudo yor konyruok.
Jodak e kaunti ma Kajiado kod jomago tong' kodgi onyisi ni obed motang' gi nyiewo ring'o e alworago kaluwore gi medruok mar ring'o maricho ma ok opuodhi masani e uso e dukni. Komishona ma Kajiado James Tari ogolo siem bang' wi rombe kod diek madirom 300 noyudi kowiti e alwora mar Imaroro, Kajiado East.
Juzi tulikuwa na mbuzi 300 ambayo imechinjwa mahali imechinjiwa, na vichwa hizo mbuzi ikadampiwa mahali Kajiado. Sisi tunataka kujua hiyo mbuzi iko wapi, vichwa kwa nini zimedampiwa Kajiado, zimetoka wapi. We want security team itueleze imekuja mpaka wapi na ikadampiwa mahali pale, na kuna mbuzi mingi imepotea katika watu hao wa Kajiado.
Tumefanya uchunguzi ya kutosha na hakuna mbuzi za Kajiado. Hizi ni mbuzi za jirani, ndizo walikuja kuona nafasi maybe ya kutupa hapa. We suspected ile malori inapeleka mchanga niliwacha jiani kienda, so ni disposal. Na nyama kama hiyo inamaanisha bado tuko na hatari, kuna usalama, tunafaa kuimarisha mahali, because inamaanisha wale watu wanakula nyama, labda wanakula nyama ambayo si ya pili, they are not safe. So inamaanisha mpaka tutie vindui mahali.
Jadolo mar kanisa kopere Diocese ma Nyahururu Joseph Mbatia ojiwo joma nie Kenya mondo obed thuolo gi joutgi kendo manyo yore malong'o mag gayo lwenje mag udi kaka achiel kuom yore mag tego keny kane owuoye kanisa mar Mary Immaculate Cathedral e boma ma Nyahururu kama ne oyuore arus moro. Jadolono ne omedo ni joma nie keny onego gol achaye kendo onyis hera kod tudruok malong'o kaka yo mar neno ni gidak e keny aming'a. Oteno ne ojiw kod Padri Paula Maina ma omedo ni kit dak machon en mano mar dichwo achiel kod miyo achiel kendo majiwo nyuol kod rito nyithindo.
Maisha yenu muwe mnapendana na upendo wa dhati, kwa sababu mkikosa upendo ndoa yenu itasabaratika. Na kwa hivyo kila wakati mnaona ya kwamba upendo wenu uko hatarini, mzungumuze pamoja na mtatue ile shida iko katika wakati huo ili ndoa yenu isibaratike.
Tunajua ni kati ya mwanamume na mwanamke. Kwa hivyo hakuna doa kati ya wanaume wawili ama wanadada wangapi. Doa ni ya nani? Mwanamume na mwanamke. Naye aliyeanzisha huu mpango mzima si mwanadamu. Huu mpango mzima ulianzishwa na Mungu mwenyewe.
Gavana Mawajia mabende en jakom riwruok Governors Ahmed Abdullahi okwayo sirkal mamalo mondo rangie weche maluoro chenro mar chiwo thieth mar Universal Health Care kata UHC kano wuoyo nyasi manyoro mar madaraka mano bagi tarbaj. Gavana no wacho ni counties ok owinjo we okaw ting' mar UHC kendgi maonge kony moro amora maya e sirkal mamalo ka koro odwaro mondo ochiw ler ewi wachno kwa jopiny mondo konyo piny owacho mamalo mondo omedne counties omenda kaluwore gi medruok mar chenro mag dongruok ma itayo gi counties e kor gwenge.
As a Council of Governors, we have absolutely no issue with them being absorbed into permanent and pensionable cadres. But we are saying the funds have to be available. The funds have to be available. And now that they are coming to the end of their contractual period, what the National Ministry of Health is trying to do is to wriggle out of the arrangement by transferring the payroll to us without the commensurate amount of resources needed to sustain them in perpetuity. going forward. And this is what I have a problem with as the chair of COG. All I'm telling my brother at the ministry is, yes, if we are going to onboard these people, you have to show us where the money is.
Jotelo mopogore opogore migao mar somo golo kwayo ne jonyuol mondo oneni girido kanda ewi yedhe mamero ji ma osebedo ka rocho ngima jopuonjre ahinya to mago mane sikunde sekondar kane wuoye kar chung od bura Makitutu Chache South kinde nyasi moro mar somo mane okelo kanyakla jok mane osomo e skund jowuowi mar Cardinal Otunga. Jalup Chancellor Mambalariany ma Meru Ramanus Odhiambo ojiwo ni lwenje kedo kod yedhe mamero ji en mano ma onywando jonyuol kod bede migepe mag sirikal. Gikwayo jochung mamoko e sekta mar somo mondo osir lwedo chenro manyien mar somo mar CBE.
Second years. And because of raving and doing the wrong things when the future potentials. But I promise to be coming here every June, every year if I'm still alive. May God, there are many, many more. You have realized that we are losing our children to drugs and many negative things. Some of them die at a very young age. Now the CBE main idea is to inculcate those three knowledge. That is the attitude, that is the skill, and the knowledge. Who on earth can refuse such a thing?
Our boys need somebody who can mentor them, who can tell them how they were doing it in the 70s, the 80s, that now there are people who are managing our country. But at the same time, for our Vice Chancellor, his source of the product still lies in Cardinal. So he has come here to trace the source. When the source is right, then the larger lever that he makes at the university will be okay.
Maadhiri mema hasa aliyopata hapa katika shule yetu ya Kanotunga, kwanza kuomba asubuhi na mapema wanaenda chapel na kabla kulala kwenda chapel. Ndiye amesema hii ndiyo iliwasaidia kuwa wasiwe watu waraibu wa kutumika madawa. Na kitu alisema kuwa hapa kulikuwa na sheria moja ilikuwa nasema use common sense. Na hiyo ilikuwa nawafanyia ufanye kitu kizuri kila wakati, ufanye kitu kizuri kila mahali.
Ya kwa mgonga ka yueyo ma adundo kapo kwa dhie yueyo George Henry wachoni one na yorno makare ka entiere ukwala Joseph Odhiambo wachoni entiere gashie kendo weche manyien chopo negi yorno makare nitiere ote mono malala kae nyadende mono wachoni entiere osiepe mano buto bolo kanyo wachoni James Wakete yorno makare kendo weche manyien mag migago choponwa yorno ma Deva Biero mono mwalimu ticha wachoni oneno migago ka entiere county ma Kisumu. Soft Life Ambassador mano Matini Juma would Ndewa wachoni James Opondo wawinjie yorno makare ka entiere la Kisama. Nyakwana mgojwang wakao yue ma dundo kikini mbor mikech pod wan gi weche mathoth.
Saa zingine mambo kupata bila plan. Gas ndio imeisha, landlord akuache upumue, mtoto ni mgonjwa na bado ni mid-month. Usijibox kwa noma. Piga *531# and sort your emergencies with my Mobi Civil Servant Loan. Iwe usiku au mchana. Kama wewe ni civil servant, sasa uko sorted. Dial *531# and get up to 20,000 shillings and pay from your next payslip. No paperwork, no guarantors, no drama. Ni wewe tu na simu yako. Register now and see your limit in seconds. Build for Kenyan civil servants. My Mobi. Iko sorted.
Kikipari ewi bedo gi loch, mak mana niti matek ibed jalno manigi lony, bang'e to loch biro mana luwi. Oprah Winfrey.
Grow biashara yako by using your M-Pesa till to get Uliza Biashara. Enjoy easy application na instant approval. Ipate kwa M-Pesa business app ama dial *234#. M-Pesa.
Radio Ramogi, Cartoon Jaluo. Radio Ramogi.
Ready for the ultimate getaway? Cape Town is calling, and Kenyans travel visa-free. Soar up Table Mountain, drive through Chapman's Peak, pause at colorful Bokap, and meet adorable penguins at Boulders Beach. All this plus return flights, city tours, wine tasting, and 4 nights of pure wonder. Packages from just 174,000 Kenya shillings per person sharing. Book your Cape Town dream trip today. Call or WhatsApp View Travel on 0703 254 254. View Travel. Dream. Explore. Discover.
Jatendo fwenyo ni pare ni timarus kawuono kor Rakesh yo wang' ahinya. Bang'e nogoyo wa matek kasto tweyo kae mondo kik wadhi. Yawa in konywa. Vikram wadwa.
One of the biggest challenges I find entrepreneurs is they don't know how to delegate. They feel they're the only ones who can do things. Other people can do it. You use your mind to build your vision and to do your strategic thinking and maybe to do the connections. But the team can do it. Imagine they can. There's been a study done that women tend to fear taking loans. A loan, if it is taken for the right thing, is okay.
Watch this story and more. Download the Citizen Digital app or visit www.citizendigital.com and find the Citizen Originals portal.
Kenya's #1 app, Citizen Digital.
Machiegni kendo nya Kwaramogi. Jodak ma Buruburu mayudore e kaunti ma Nairobi koro ng'anyo ka gigolo ywak ewi okang' mar gero kar luoko geche e lowo mane owene loso apaya e alworano. Ka koro kar luoko geche no en achiel kuom kuonde mane oger e lowo mar apaya, kendo koro gidwaro sirikal mochung' ne kaunti mondo odonji e wachno kendo chunge gedo madhi nyime mag ute mopogore opogore e lowono ma osegeng'o kendo chungo dongruok e alworano.
Now we have been faced with a lot of problems, illegal structures all over. Now our houses, our houses are going down. Our environment is not conducive for us. So now what we are asking here is whoever who does this, if from the government, even from the county, we are condemning this on a very serious note.
We have come here. As you can see, the residents of Buruburu are not happy. When you see what has been done, they have made very huge structures. You can see tanks under the power line. You can see big structures, and this is illegal. They have not consulted anybody. There is no approval which has been given.
Hii place iko na approvals, ni zile ziko City Hall, kuna drawings zilikuwa amended. Okay, hii place, as you can see, kuna ma CCTV zimeekwa, which may create employment ya vijana, mtu wa kuuza maji, ule analete sabuni.
Mimi kitu ningeomba, kama wanaangalia, wasiangalie pande moja, waangalie pande zote, waangalie pande ya vijana. Sasa tufeko tunapigania vile tutakuwa watu wanakosa mahali pa kukula. Tunafaa tupiganie shida zetu sisi wenyewe. Sasa hivi vijana wadogo hapa wamepata makazi, imekuwa ni kelele kwa watu wengine. Si tungeomba hata gava pia angalie pande nyingine.
Sirikand kaunti ma Kajiado yango nigi chano jwang'o teko sitima kendo chako tiyo kod teko mag solar tijegi mag keyo pi e bombe kod keto taya e chiche kod apise mag kaunti no. Kane wuoyo nyasi mar madaraka mane obage Kajiado North, gavana ma Kajiado Joseph Olelenku ne ochiwo chik ne tende migepe mondo chak tiyo kod teko chieng' mar temo kedo kod nengo mar sitima ma owacho ni ohidho kendo ng'iko chenro mag kaunti no. Olelenku wacho ni kato bedo ni sirikal mamalo semiyo Kajiado pi kokalo oyaw ma ndakaine keyo pi e gwenge mopogore opogore osebedo matek kaluwore kod nengo sitima man malo.
Jaribu kutoa maneno ya Kenya Power kwa kupump maji zetu kwa kuweka taa kwa masoko zetu. Our lighting and water pumping systems have suffered so much under the Kenya Power. As a consequence, as a county government, we are migrating to solarization. So wana soko watu wetu, tunalete sasa stima ya soko kupitia sola, ili changamoto za kukatiwa stima zituweze kutuondokea. Ninajua imetuletea machungu mengi, najua imeharibu biashara zetu, lakini mtuvumilie, tunashughulikia hiyo maneno.
Wadhi nyime nyakor mojong wadane wadhi nyaka piny mar Afrika ma milambo kamoido ni jago moro ma japiny Afrika ma milambo ne ondiko dobila e magawa moro e boma ma Nairobi ka itude kod rocho ratich nyathi manyako ma jahigni 17. Jago no ma jahigni 26 kendo ma oseyang nyinge kaka Bradley Zwane wachone ni ne oyudo nyako no e kar tudruok manyasani mar Tinder kapok ne owuonde miyo mar tere e magawa kama wachore ni ne otimone tim anjaono. Min mare olero ni ne oyudo simu ni nyare ne olal kowuok e sikul, gino mane omiyo ochwalo lipot ne obila mane ochako timo nonro mapiyo. Apisas mag okwach kich ne oluwo ndach nyakono nyaka e magawano kama ne gindhiyo Bradley kod otese mag wuoth madirom 5 kod rabo yunga moseti godo.
Asked her how old she was. She told me she's 18 years old, as it was also on the Tinder page. I asked her, can she show me her ID? She said, my ID is at home.
Nilisema mtoto wangu amekidnapiwa, amepelekwa wapi, ameuliwa, sikulala. Sikulala. Sasa by 5:30 nilikuwa shule. Nilianzia hapo. Mwalimu akaniambia mtoto alitoka shule vizuri, rafiki yake tumempata shule. Sasa ndio ikawa police case sasa. Tukaanzia hapo.
So this passport, actually, they were not supposed to be with me. They were supposed to be with the manager of the company, which I stay with there in Denmark. So right now, he went to Nigeria. He was like, can you keep this for me? He was the manager responsible for that.
Huko ni wapi wewe ukiangalia, na ni mtoto wa 17 years. Angechukuliwa, hauliwe huku. Mimi ninge
Jokrinera tiro oganda ariyo Boniface Mwangi kod Agatha Atuhaire okawo thuolo mokwongo mar loso nyaka ne wengi thuolo tok kane ondhigi gi sirikanda piny Tanzania. Ote margi kawuono ginyiso kaka ne omakgi, ne owuoth kodgi kaeto bang'e owegi thuolo e konde mopogore opogore. Ginyiso kaka ratichgi ne orochi ka koro gikwayo pinje ma oko mondo omi kuma jotend pinje adek, Kenya, Tanzania kod Uganda, kuom rito ratiro mag jopiny. Gisingo mar mako bura e doho mar Afrika ma ugwe kendo kwayo doho mar piny mangima mar ICC mondo odonjre e wachno. Bende gikawo thuolo mar goyo erokamano ne jopiny mane ochung' kodgi e kinde mane otekgi e piny Tanzania.
Got afraid when they blindfolded us. I think I had a moment of like almost a panic attack because always my fear was being tortured. I always thought, I wish the day they get me I have like poison and I swallow it so that I don't go through so much pain, so much humiliation. So I was afraid when they picked us up, and then I told myself, there's nothing you can do.
Then they took us, drove for about 20 minutes. Then they took us to a building. To this place where they went to torture us. When you go there, they told me to get off the car, came out, and then they banged the door on my face. I had a mark here, I don't know if it's still there. I don't know what they were waiting for. I think they were putting some things ready. They got me out. I was still handcuffed and blindfolded, and they told me to strip naked. And I stripped naked. When I stripped naked, they removed my handcuffs, and then I was grabbed by about 4 men.
We look to the East African Community, SADC, East African Court of Justice,
International Commission of Juries, Foreign Embassies in East Africa, and the United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights to act decisively. The time for silence is over. Stand with the people of East Africa against tyranny and impunity.
Jon bura dwaro ni migao mar pur mondo one ni jopur mag chai yudo ratiro korka nengo chai. Jon bura go dwaro ni kaw kalo kuom KTDA nengo chai keti e yo ma ok bi hinyo yuto mar jopur. Jagoro mongirore migao mar pur Dr. Paul Rono to kata kamano okoni jopur nyaka ne ni chai margi ochopo rang'eny ma owinjore.
Kweli kinaangana mkulima. Ndio mimi nauza majani chai. Saa hii hata mimi nauliza uliuza ngapi na nitakuja hata mimi niko na chai. So mwambia mkulima haki. Haki ndio itatutoa kabisa kwa hii shida. Hapo ndani lazima tutafute jawabu. Na tunasema tunataka kuuza majani chai kutoka factory direct.
From one thing that the business knows, that is quality. 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 That is what resonates with the business. In terms of the what bonus you're going to get this year, it will be known after 30th June.
Haiwezekani kwamba chai ya hawa wakulima haiwezi kuuzwa direct sales, kwamba hawa hawezi kwenda wakatafuta soko ati wauze majani chai yao, lakini plantations zinaweza kufanya mambo kama hayo. Ukitengeneza sheria ya kusema machines zisitumike, basi iwe ni sheria ya kila mtu, ndio watu wafanye kazi waweze kupata mahali ya kufanya kazi. Tukisema tumemaliza machine, tunamaliza kila mahali, kweli rongo.
Taxes ambao imecollected kwa hii chai yetu ni taxes mingi sana, na hiyo ni jambo ambalo lazima tuangalie, na nafurahi sababu juzi mlikuwa na hiyo discussion na itakuja bunge na tuta make sure tumeipitisha ili tuweze kutoa hizo taxes mingi ambao it's levied on our tea.
Na tusidanganywe, our tea is quality and we have quantity. Kwa sababu rais alitupunguzia bei ya fertilizer katika region hii. Hii mambo ya kuchezewa kama Marinde yatapotanum must stop as we go into the future. So I want to assure you, and I want to agree with your member of parliament, as a colleagues, as we sit in tea caucus and tea sector reforms, we must agree that the option is to take care of the farmer